All right, you guys know when you're walking around the house and you realize that every single pair of socks you have a hole in the bottom. It was time. And I kept buying this same set of Under Armour socks because I love Under Armour, but they just the holes kept coming. And these are the ones that we bought for my daughter in white, and she swears by them. So she said, Mom, why don't you just get these? I took one pair out so I could test them. Y'all, this is completely, I understand now why she is obsessed with these socks, because they feel like clouds on your feet. Like there's so much cushioning, and they never, like they stayed in place all day. They didn't make my feet hot, and they were so soft. I am a fan. I get it 100%. I didn't want to open all of them because I wanted to be able to show you guys. This is the 10 pack, 5 are black, and then I think, yeah, 5 are gray like this. I like my socks to be dark so they don't get discolored when they're washed. I like the low profile ones. These are the no-show ones. And let me just show y'all how thick these are. I mean, I don't know if you can really get a sense for, they're thick, and like it barely comes, like, you know where the top of your regular Nike shoe comes? It's literally right there in line with that. So you can't see it when you have your shoes on. There's so much padding up here, which other socks absolutely did not have. I'm very happy with these, and I think this is going to be what I buy from here on in.